Good morning, boys and girls. This week we're going to start learning about the life cycle of plants and flowers, and that starts with a seed. So this book is, the title is Seeds, and the author is Grace Hansen. So she wrote the words to this book. This is the title page, and this is the table of contents. It says that on page 4, we see what a seed's job is. On page 6, we see the seed parts. On page 10, we can read about how the seeds grow. On page 22, we can read about how a seed goes from a seed to a plant. On page 23, we can see the glossary. On page 24, we can see the index. All right, so a seed's job. A seed has one job. It is to make another plant of its kind. So the seed starts, and you can see, we're going to learn in a minute the parts of the seed, and you can see how the roots start to grow and the little seedling sprouts up, and from this seed, another plant will grow. Seed parts. The outer layer is called the seed coat. It protects everything inside the seed. So just like when the weather is cold, or your coat protects you from the cold, or just like if it's raining and you're wearing a raincoat, it protects you from the rain. The seed coat protects the seed. So this is the sunflower seeds seed coat. This is a chestnut seed coat, and this is a field beans seed coat. Inside each seed is a tiny plant. This plant is called an embryo. Embryos need water, oxygen, and warmth. Then they can grow. So you see that, you see the label right here, and it's labeling this is the embryo. So it's just the little tiny plant that starts to grow, and it needs 3 things. It just said to grow. It needs water, needs oxygen, and it needs warmth. So those are 3 things that the embryos need in order for it to grow. My goodness, sorry. All right, so now that we know about the embryo, let's look at how it grows. The title is Growing. When the embryo grows, it breaks out of its seed. This is called germination. So once that little embryo pops out, and you can see it above the soil, that is called germination. The radicle is the first thing to grow from the seed. So the first little young root is called the radicle, and that's the first thing that comes out. In some seeds, a young stem emerges next. It is called the plumule. So this is the plumule, and so here's the little radicle. It comes first, and that's where the root is going to grow. And the next is the plumule, and that's where the stem is going to grow. The stem and leaves grow toward the sun. Leaves use the light from the sun to make food for the plant. So that's the important job of the leaves. They use that light from the sun, and it makes the food for the plant, because just like we need food to grow, plants need food to grow as well. And so that is their job. The stem and the leaves, they grow up towards the sun, and they need that sun and warmth. The roots grow downward. So where the stem and the leaves grow up towards the sun, the roots grow down. The roots collect water and food for the plant as well. The lower they grow, the more nutrients they find. So the farther those roots go down into the soil, they get more nutrients, which is that's the things that are in all of our healthy fruits and vegetables that we eat to help us to grow. Plants need that too. So not only do they need the sun, but they also need the nutrients from the soil. The plant is strong. Now a flower can grow. So the flower's job is to make more seeds. So even though we love to see the flowers and they're beautiful, they have a job. And that job is to help more plants to grow from that one flower. So once it dies, the seeds that are in the middle of that flower help more flowers to grow. So this shows us a picture from seed to plant. So remember, this is the radicle and the plumule that come up, and then as you can see, the root starts to grow farther down, and the stem and little leaves start to grow out as well. So those are two different types of plants that you can see go from a seed to a plant, and how they kind of how they change. So some types of flowers that the seed actually comes up with it, and then some that seed stays down underneath. So hypogeal type, the seed stays underneath the soil, and then some sorts of plants that are called epigeal, those, they come up, the seed actually comes up above. And the seed coat comes off above the soil. So there's two different kinds of plants that happens to. So this is the glossary, and it kind of just tells you all the different parts of the plant, which we just went over. And then this is the index, so then it tells you where you can find all of those different words, and you can see where they're used in the book. All right, I hope y'all enjoyed it, and we will be learning a lot more about plants and flowers this next week.